Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new Redmi Mi Note 14. Here it is box. So let's unbox this. And first at the top you will see there is a Mi made in India, and this will, friends, at the front you will see there is a Note 14 5G smartphone, and here it is the some specification. And at this side you will see Redmi Note 14, Redmi by Xiaomi. At this side you will see India's most loved, and at the back you will see some specification. So let's unbox this. And as you can see, here it is the Redmi box, and there is a handset. You can see, just let's keep it aside and check what is in the box. A tray, and here it is the 45-volt of turbocharge. You can see designed by Xiaomi, and you can see, and here it is the charging cable. This is USB to type C charging cable. So let's keep it inside and open our smartphone. And here it is the box. Let's open it. And here it is the SIM tool. One case is there, and then a quick start guide. So let's see the quality of the case. And friends, you can see the case quality is pretty decent. It is, here it is the branding Redmi. At the back you will see Redmi designed by Xiaomi, and the color is quite good and the quality is okay. Let's keep it inside. So friends, here it is. Let's unwrap it. And then you can see I have purchased this in black color, and it has three colors: white, purple and black. Here it is the black color, you can see, and it is quite lightweight, and it has three variants: 6 GB, 128 GB, 8 GB, 128 GB, and 8 GB plus 256 GB. So I have purchased this 6 GB and 128 GB. The back is quite matte finish. You can see here it is the Redmi branding also. And talking about its cameras, so at the this back camera is 50 megapixel Sony LYT 600 AI triple camera with 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor and 2 megapixel of macro camera. There are three cameras. And talking about the front camera, here it is the front camera. You can see this is of 20 megapixel front camera. Here it is ports, the volume up and volume down button, one power on off, and at the back you will see a speaker, one microphone, one type C charging port, and a SIM tool tray. At this side you will see there is nothing. At the top you will see, here it is one microphone, one light, a speaker, and 3.5 mm of audio jack. So let's open it. Its display is 6.67 inch of display. That is quite large, and it has a peak by 2100 nits of peak brightness. That is good in this segment. Friends, it is now open, and you can see the protection is in this mobile is used is IP64 protection, Corin Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So let's open it. And in this, the battery life is very good, 5110 mAh of battery life with 45 volt of turbocharge and improve battery life, so you can play video games, videos, audios. If you want anything, you can. So you can check the smoothness of the display. It is 120 hertz of refresh rate. You can see how smooth it is. So let's check it in the settings also. Just type here the settings, type here a refresh rate, click on it, and you will see custom. There is a 120 hertz of refresh rate, you can see. And let's check the camera settings, and you can see here it is the video quality, and you can check here how much the video can take in higher resolution. So here it is 1080 pixel of highest resolution is there, 1080 pixel at 30 fps and 720 pixel at 30 fps. You can record your video. Then here are some features like pro mode, panorama mode, slow motion, time lapse, night mode is there. You can zoom up to 2x, 1x and 0.6 also. Here it is the 50 megapixel camera in 1x and 2x. Friends, I have taken some picture. You can see here it is the 50 megapixel of camera picture. You can zoom it in the full screen. As you can see, there it is low badges, and here it is the portrait photo. The back scene are blurred and it is focused on this main object flower. And here it is the front camera photo. You can see the contrast and colors are pretty good. And let's check its speaker test also. So here it is YouTube. So friends, let's play the video. It comes with a dual stereo speaker and plus 300 louder volume. When you just click on this volume button, you will see a 300% volume is there. So let's play it. Friends, you can see it is in the 200% volume. When you just up it at 300 volume, friends, you can see there is a upside speaker also and downside speaker also. Both are working good. The bass and the clarity of this is good. You can see at the top side, here it is the speaker at 300 plus volume. It is a Dolby Atmos speaker given in this. Let's check the processor of this. Click on settings, about phone. You will see this is the 6GB 128GB storage smartphone, and Android version is 14. And you can see the detailed info and specs in this. You will get additional 2GB extendable. If you want to extend it, you can. And the processor in this smartphone is Dimensity 7025 Ultra Octa-core Max 2.5 gigahertz. That is much good in this price range. And you will see the Android and OS version is 1.0.1, and you will see the model. But in this smartphone you will not get a 4K video recording. As you can see, there is not also a 2K video recording. Here it is only 1080 pixel at 30 fps. That is not much in this price range, so it will be better. I hope in next time they will. So let's play the video and check the video quality. Friends, you can see it will be on full screen and you can zoom up to 8x zoom like this. The screen quality is very good. It is a AMOLED screen and it's look like a 3D when you just watch it. The colors are very good and you can check the quality in the settings. Just click on quality, here it is. Click on advanced. You can watch up to 2160 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR option. In security you will get some of like fingerprint, here it is, face data, screen lock and unlock with Bluetooth device. There is a fourth new option. If you have smartwatch, or you have to just connect it and you can unlock it by the smartwatch also by using Bluetooth. If you want to buy this smartphone, you can check it out from my given link. I have given the link in the description. You if you want to check out, you can. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. Thanks for watching.